Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop India, your one-stop solution for your tax compliance. India is a hub of micro, small and medium enterprises and they are doing their job quite very well. And in this video, we are going to see one of the tax measures which is easy for the MSME sector, and that is called as presumptive taxation. So you knew very well that MSME sector, they are in their growth stage and they can't have time or the affordability to maintain the complete set of books of accounts for filing their income tax return. So the option which is available to them while filing their income tax return is called as presumptive taxation, which is they could declare a certain percentage of their turnover as profit in their business for the purpose of income tax return filing. And in this video, we are going to see the concept of the presumptive taxation not only for the business but also for the professional category and also for the transportation sector. So stay tuned and wait till the end of this video to understand the complete concept of presumptive taxation which you could use for the purpose of filing the income tax return. So what is this presumptive taxation? So generally we have three important sections in relation to the presumptive taxation. So it is 44 AD, 44 ADA and 44 AE, and this is framed mainly to give some relief to the small taxpayers from the maintenance or from the burden of maintaining the books of accounts and getting their books of accounts audited. So what is the limit for this presumptive taxation? There is one important good news for you all, that is from the current budget 2023 they have increased the limit. That is, in case if you are having your turnover up to 3 crores, you can opt for this presumptive taxation and file your income tax return without even maintaining the books of accounts. Earlier it was 2 crores. So for the individual professionals, it has been increased from 50 lakhs to 75 lakhs. That is, if the professionals are having their gross receipts from profession up to 75 lakhs, they can go for this presumptive taxation scheme without even maintaining any books of accounts. So what does section 44 AD says? So if you are a small taxpayer and doing business and having a turnover up to 2 crores for the assessment year 2023-24, you can declare a certain percentage of your turnover as your profit. And the percentage is going to be 8% in case if the turnover are going to be non-digital transactions and 6% if it is going to be for digital transaction. Assume that in case if you are having a business turnover of 1 crore and if you are doing the digital transaction to the extent of 75 lakhs, then you will be calculating your profit as 75 lakhs into 6% and balance 25 lakhs into 8%. And what is the eligibility for opting this section 44 AD? And this section applies only to the resident assessee who is an individual or HUF or partnership, but it does not apply to an LLP. And this section also cannot be adopted by a non-resident. So what does section 44 ADA says? This is only for professionals and they are in the MSME sector. Say you might be into the profession of legal or medical or engineering or accountancy or any other profession as specified by the Central Board of Direct Taxes. So what is the applicable turnover limit for you? It is going to be 50 lakhs and you need to disclose a minimum percentage of 50% from your gross receipts. Say for example, if you are having a gross receipt from your profession as a doctor is say 30 lakhs, you need to disclose a minimum profit of 15 lakhs for the purpose of filing the income tax return under this presumptive taxation scheme. And you can ask me another question, what is the ITR form which is applicable? It is going to be ITR 4. And next section is section 44 AE. This is applicable for transportation sector. You should have hold ownership of less than 10 vehicles or 10 or less than 10 vehicles during the particular year. And in case if you have taken any vehicles on lease, you can't opt for this section. In case if the vehicle which you are owning is more than 12 tons, it is going to be charged on the tonnage basis. So transportation sector, you can easily go for 44 AE. So I hope you got a better idea on the presumptive taxation scheme, and we also have a separate video on the ITR forms which is applicable for you. In case of any other clarity, you can reach us through the following media. So we can see in another video. Until then, it's bye from Surya on behalf of One Stop India team. Thank you.